We would like to invite Emily Winkler, Director of Events for the Omaha Sports Commission, who will be presenting the awards to our medalists. Ms. Winkler will now be presenting the medals and trophies to the players. She will now present the flowers to the players. She will now present the prize money check to the players. Thank you so much, Ms. Winkler. Please stay by the podium for a group photo. Thank you so much, Ms. Winkler. Players, please stay for a group photo.